In this video, we are going to understand how to add two numbers in Python. So on the first line, you can see the one which is in red color. This is a comment which tells what we are going to do in this particular program. This is basically a message for the user to understand. Now here in the next instruction, you can see that we have taken one variable. We have given a value 2. Likewise, we have taken another variable with a value 3. And after that, we are using a print instruction. And here we are using multiple things. The first one in the double quotes in green color. This is a message which says sum of. Then we have to print the number as in numeric form like 2 and 3. So we are going to print the variable. So basically it will not print this x, it will print its value. That means 2 will be printed. After that, we are using another message in the double quotes which says sum of 2 and then the next number y. That means 3. So here again the numeric value will be printed. This is a message because it is in the double quotes. And after that, we are using the formula x plus y. That means it is going to add both the numbers. So if you read it together, it would be sum of 2 plus 3 is 5. So if we run this, so you can see on the shell, it says sum of 2 and 3 is 5.